Hey guys, welcome to Problem Solver. In today's video, I am going to show you how to take the... Alright guys, so it's been a week and a half and I actually really was dying to show you guys the interior, but I decided I'm going to finish the whole car first and then show you guys. So I got lots of episodes coming on everything that I've done here. Front brakes, back brakes, windshield installment, front wheel alignment, you name it, I've done it to get this thing on the road. Look how nice those look. Got new tires. Looking pretty good, guys. Looking very nice. I buffed the whole entire car. I buffed the headlights. They look really nice now. I sticker bombed the fender. The skater in me, I guess. Anyways, I hope you guys are ready to see the interior because it looks absolutely amazing. And I'm about to show it to you. Also, I used Armor All just right at the end to clean it up, to make it look nice. Great product, Armor All. Okay, you guys ready for this? Really dirty car. Look at all that salt. And we're gonna make it extra clean. I will show you how to do it very quick and how I do it when I buy a car. So this is gonna be my new car, guys, that I'm gonna be driving all winter long. I just picked it up for $200. 2014 Mitsubishi Mirage. It does have some damage, but the title is clean. So in this video, we're just cleaning it. I'm just starting by cleaning it, and then there'll be other videos where we get it on the road. So there it is. Okay, step number one, I'm actually gonna remove both the seats. There's just 4 bolts. I'm removing the seats. I'm gonna remove the back seat. Like, if you really want to clean a car good, that's what you got to do. I'm gonna take the mats out and I'm gonna take the seats out. I'm gonna take out whatever I can. Okay, I'll see you guys in about 20 minutes because that's all it's gonna take. Okay, step number 1 done. Check it out. So now it's gonna be a lot easier to clean it. See in the back too, I took out the little rug back here. See all that crap. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get a bin and I'm gonna obviously take everything out of here. I'm excited to do it, and also I got all these parts out. So obviously this will be nice and easy to clean. I'll get to all this stuff, how I'm gonna clean it, but this will all be nice and fresh and brand new. This car was pretty gross inside and it was smoked in, so I don't wanna, I don't want it to smell like cigarettes. When I start driving this thing, I want it to be basically have a brand new feel to it. Okay, I'm gonna take every piece of garbage out of here. See you guys in 5 minutes. All right, all the garbage is out. I am very happy. So now, shop vac, and like I'm probably 15 minutes into this whole thing right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna go around and I'm gonna shop vac this the best I can. All of that, all of the back. Probably take me 10 minutes. See you guys in 10 minutes. All right, here we are. Everything is vacuumed. So now, okay, so obviously things like the plastics and that, I just got a bucket here. Very simple. With this soap, you can use an old sock. You can use a sponge. See, all we're doing with this stuff, I mean, that's pretty straightforward, right? Gonna go around and scrub everything. Grab your sock, wipe it all down. Nothing to it, right? I mean, I don't think I really need to show that part. That part's pretty straightforward. So once you get it all soapy like that, all you do is you grab another bucket with just water, no soap. Grab another sock, and you basically just wipe all the soap away, and you can get all the plastics 20 minutes. You can get them looking brand new. So I'll do that. I'm not really gonna show that because that's pretty simple. I think mostly you guys are curious about this. So this is what I'm gonna do with that. I got a garden hose. So I put it on mist. So watch this. Oh yeah, and something like this, you know, anything that you can wash with the hose. I'm just gonna soak it, right? So I'll get back to that, but I'm just gonna soak that. And then this kind of stuff, I am gonna spray it a bit, but I'm not gonna go too crazy. I'll do this worst spot here. So you do gotta wet it a bit. Okay. Now I'm gonna grab, I got some dish soap. This is also dish soap. Just like that. I'm gonna grab my little brush here. And all you're gonna do is watch this. I'm showing you guys in real time. Go around and you scrub all the salt, right? And I'm gonna do this to the whole entire carpet like that. Little bit of water, not too much, because you don't want to like soak everything, but you do want it to get foamy like this. So that was like the worst spot on the whole car. Okay, so now what you do is grab your shop vac, make sure it's a wet one so you can suck up water with it. Okay, so now you grab your shop vac, right? And we're gonna try to suck as much water out as we can. Check it out. All right, guys, you've seen me do that record time. So now, yeah, there's still some spots left with the salt, but I mean, that's one time around. So all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna grab the garden hose and see all those like areas with the salt. I'm gonna wash this whole entire side now, plus this side. And the salt there. Okay, I'm gonna put this soap on that, just like before. Especially the areas with the salt. Nothing to it, guys. I'm basically showing you in real time. Okay, now just scrub the whole thing. As you can see, it's taking no time. So I'm gonna do this whole thing, probably take me 5 minutes. And we're gonna shop vac it again, and then we might have to do some spots 3 times until all the salt is gone. The other side's a lot better. I bet you the other side I'll only have to clean it once or twice. Okay, I'll see you guys in about 15 minutes. Let's see how clean we can get this. All right, check it out. Not even 10 minutes later. Look at the difference. So I'm obviously gonna have to do it again because see those like major salty spots. But I mean, look at the difference already. So yeah, so I'm gonna do it again, especially in the areas with the salt. I'm gonna spray this side as well. and I'm gonna soap up this whole side and shop vac it. So I'm gonna say that it's gonna probably take me about 20 minutes, 15 minutes to do both sides, shampoo everything super good. You guys have seen that process, so I'm not gonna repeat it. So I'll see you guys when the floor is done, and then we'll move on to that little rug that flew away from the wind and the seats and stuff. All right, guys, check it out. So there it is. Look how good that turned out. What can you possibly say bad about it? It looks absolutely flawless. So I ended up wiping everything down nice, cleaned everything, as you can see. Okay, we're gonna move on to the seats and the rugs and that, but that was the hardest part. I'll show you how to clean the seats now and the rugs and stuff. Oh yeah, check out the trunk. Look how nice that all turned out. I mean, a little bit of work and you can make an old car brand new again. Okay, for real now, we are moving on, guys. We're moving on. All right, we're moving on to one of the seats and the mats. Pretty straightforward. So the front seats have airbags and they're heated seats, so I can't really get them wet. But this back cushion here, it's pretty gross. And look, super gross in there. So I'm just gonna take the garden hose to it, so they can clean right in there good. Same with all the floor mats, the back mat. This one's the dirtiest, so I'll show you on this one. I mean, pretty straightforward. I got this bucket with dish soap in it, so you can go like that. Get your scrubber. Do the front, do the back. Really good, and then rinse it out like that. Look how good that looks already. Same with the seat. Go like that. You know, you can get in there with a little brush, whatever, and then you're gonna rinse it all off, put everything out in the sun to dry. Pretty straightforward. So here it is, dirty. I'm gonna clean everything, hang it up. See you guys in about 15 minutes. And then we're moving on to the front seats. I'll show you how to do those. All right, so the mats are drying nicely in the sun, as is the seat, looking brand new, if I may add so. Inside the car, I have placed a dehumidifier in here, because it is kind of winter's coming. It's October, so it's not super sunny. Otherwise, you could just leave your doors open and it would dry, but I got this in here. I'm gonna leave it in here overnight. It'll suck all the water right out. Looking super good in here. Okay, we're moving on to those. All right, so here's the seats. So I just want you guys to really see it. Like, see how dirty they are? See that? And they're also pretty dirty there. Maybe it's hard to see on camera, but they are. So step number one, I'm gonna obviously vacuum them really good. See all in there, there's all this crap. So I'm gonna vacuum them best I can. I'm gonna get my sock and dish soap. I'm gonna wipe all this down, clean all these, right? And then I'll show you how to clean the materials. These have airbags in them and heaters, so I can't soak them with a garden hose. I'll show you how to do it. I can pull these off and I can garden hose those and scrub them. So that's what I will do with these, because they are pretty gross there from somebody's head for, you know, 10 years. Okay, so I'm gonna remove those, vacuum everything, wipe everything, and then we're gonna clean the material. I'll show you the trick. Just trying to catch the dirt. See, look at that. I think you can see it. This one too. A couple stains, things like that. Okay, about to do what I said I was gonna do. Okay, so we got some laundry soap. So I'm gonna fill this up. Watch this. So yeah, I got quite a bit in there, like a full little thing for laundry. So I got this bucket of water. So I'm putting it in there, right? Okay, I'm just gonna mix it up a bit. Okay, so now I got a nice clean towel. Put it in there. So now it's a soapy wet towel. I'm gonna wring it out. Okay, let's go over the seats. So now, see, with the wet towel, with the soap on it, I'm just gonna go like this. See, that way I don't have to soak the whole seat, but it literally will clean these seats absolutely spotless. If you find it's too dry, just wet it some more. Okay, anyways, so you wipe it really good for about 10 minutes, and then you grab a nice clean dry towel, and all you do is you go around, and then you go like that. And look at that. Looks brand. Try not to get the shadow there, Mr. Cameraman. Look how good that looks, and it's not even wet. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna clean this seat and that seat this exact way, and I'll show you guys the results. See you guys in about 20 minutes. All right, check it out. Basically, these look brand new. All the cigarette smoke, all the stains. I mean, look at it. Everything is absolutely perfect. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm actually out of breath from wiping these. I'm gonna put everything back together, guys, except for the back seat. I'm gonna let that dry, but I'm gonna put everything together and I'm gonna show you guys what everything looks like once it's dry and installed. So see you guys probably tomorrow. All right, guys, so it's been a week and a half, and I actually really was dying to show you guys the interior, but I decided I'm gonna finish the whole car first and then show you guys. So I got lots of episodes coming on everything that I've done here: front brakes, back brakes, windshield installment, front wheel alignment, you name it, I've done it to get this thing on the road. Look how nice those look. Got new tires, looking pretty good, guys. Looking very nice. I buffed the whole entire car. I buffed the headlights. They look really nice now. I sticker bombed the fender, the skater in me, I guess. Anyways, I hope you guys are ready to see the interior because it looks absolutely amazing, and I'm about to show it to you. Also, I used Armor All just right at the end to clean it up, to make it look nice. Great product, Armor All. Okay, you guys ready for this? I mean, say whatever you want, guys. It looks brand new. It's clean, it's fresh. There's no smell, there's no stains, there's no salt. It turned out so good, guys. So click on the playlist if you want to see all the episodes of restoring a $200 car and turning it into an $8,000 to $10,000 car. Thanks for watching. Till next time, everybody.